up, everybody? Brian with SoCo Customs. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and check out this 2020 GMC Sierra Denali that we just lifted. Alright guys, so as I said, this is a 2020 GMC Denali. We sent it up 6 inches on the rough country kit. Got it up to clear these 35-inch tires. Love this blue color that they've got on this truck these days. So these are the 22 by 12. These are the Hardcore Off-Roads, and they're called the Axle. So they're not a true directional, so they're going to swoop on one side and scoop on the other. And this did come with the magnetic ride control, so we did use the spacer. You can still see some of the cables that are in the magnetic ride control system. So yeah, spending a whole bunch of money on this truck doesn't hinder your ability to lift it. These tires were then wrapped in the Gladiator tires. These are the X-Comp MTs. This is a -44 offset, gets you outside of the fenders by 2 to 3 inches. So with these wheels, we did run into that fitment issue where the mounting surface does contact the front caliper. So we had to run a 1/4 inch spacer to get that to clear. It did require quite a bit of trimming. So we trimmed it up here on the front, obviously came down right there. On the back, it did require some metal trimming. We did just yank the mud flat because it was grinding pretty much all the way across. And then we had to clip it there, hammer it back quite a bit. So a lot of times when you do lift these trucks and you get a little aggressive with that negative offset, you're going to have to do some trimming. Factory side steps. And didn't really have to trim all that much out back. I think it will rub a little bit with some articulation back there, but this kit didn't really add to the amount of suspension travel you get, so it's not going to be articulating like a pre-runner or anything like that. All right, so here's Will, the owner. Tell him what you do for a living.
I sell real estate. Just recently moved from Georgia out to Colorado and needed something to get me to the mountains. And these guys did it.
Absolutely. We'll put his contact information in the description below, and if you're looking for any real estate here in Colorado Springs, hit him up.
And if you're looking to get lifted, come to SoCo Customs. They do a great job. The trimming was perfect. Everything was done great.
All right, we appreciate that. Thanks, bud.
Thanks, brother.
All right, guys, that's what I've got for you today. Thumbs up, subscribe, ask any questions about this kit in the comment section below. We'd love to answer any questions on fitment.